IS officer te IPS officer sabni bisi power tongko. IS ni full form kha Indian Administrative Service te dolrok IPS ni bini full form kha Indian Police Service. IS officer unerok borok UPSC exam clear khaiman pore IS officer ungu te IPS officer bahaino UPSC exam clear khaiman pore IPS officer ungu. IS te IPS o kaini no UPSC exam no clear khaina nango. IS ni rank hingke nung 1 ni siming 70 eba 80 asini bisingo mark hangke IS officer nung post rejaknai abo vacancy no depend khlaye te dolrok IPS hingke 150 amo bahaino IPS bo amo bahaino nini vacancy no depend khlaye engnai IS engnai rok hingke rank kisa kabang nangkuknai te IPS engnai ni rok borok hingke asik rank kabang nanggalak kisa lu rank haipno borok hingke IPS ni bagai post rejaknai tabuk faidi samung borok ni samung IS ni samung kha administrative samung eba prosasonik no tui borok samung khlaijaknai te IPS engnai rok borok hingke law and order abono tui borok hingke samung ma khlaio IPS rok hingke borok hingke police rok no tui samung ma khlaio tei borok hingke adalot ni ain shringkhola no tui samung ma khlaio sikok nai dakat nai drugs janai abdi rono hingke IPS ro jela sobe rimanu promotion IS ni promotion maman pore borok district magistrate by samung yafarjago district magistrate ngkha kaise district ni jotoni se kotor IPS ni promotion maman pore hingke SP sramjagra nai borok skang puila SP ngkha police ni jotoni se kotor ko tei police rokni line no hingke kaisa district ni jotoni se kotor klaio tabo hingke physics IS hingke physics rokno tei kuno kok saya aro nung sikonda angai tong kotor da angai tong ni lokmani bisik abdi rokno tei kok saya IPS hingke ni physics kisa kaham nani nangnai abo tei rokno maniwo lokmani tormani abo bebakno naijago tabo hingke salary IS officer on salary grade 1 hingke borni salary 54,000 basically 56,100 ing borni salary haike tabo IPS borok bo grade 1 hingke borok bo 54,000 mano basically borok 56,100 same IS by IS te IPS borok koni ni salary no saman eba baksa car gari IS officer unerok borok gari manmani hingke sakao blue color ke rijak te IPS unerok borok gari manmani hingke sakao kwchak ke rijak haike dolrok IS te IPS boroni gari ni phelai abono sakani kaisa ke blue te kaisa ke kwchak IS te IPS ni phermani tabo hingke boroni dress IS officer unerokni boroni kama haikuno alada khlainai uniform dress amti koroi te IPS nai boroni hingke dress uniform amti haike alada ke tongo te IPS unerok borok hingke thupi thumna nango te borok star borjago te borok bel suit kamchlei amti haikhlainai te in khlainai amti haiklai borok ma tongo IS te IPS ni borok ni dress ni phelai abono IS rok hingke alada dress koroi te IPS rok borok hingke alada dress jomui tongnani nango eba tongo tabo hingke highest post IS officer borok highest post mamani cabinet secretary noro mano union government ni bisingo mano the chief secretary mano abo hingke state government ni under te doro IPS officer bini highest post ngkha DGP te awni full form ngkha director general of police abongkha police ni kotor kaisa kemni dolrok amono IS te IPS ni highest post hake tabuk boroni power IS officer bo khoroksa IPS officer no samung order khlai mano te IPS officer bo khoroksa IS officer no samung order khlai mangya hake dolrok IPS officer ni sai IS officer no power teisa tongo dolrok tabo hingke gunda IPS officer hingke gunda ke ma tongo borok hingke silai rok tui ma tongo borok ni tormani lokmani abo belai khino kahamungui tong IPS rok borok borni fijingna belai khe care ma khayo haike dolrok ano IS te IPS borni video no bahai nangjakha naithok jakhangke ano video no like khai di tei dolok no kaisa koyo nung jodi na an channel no tabuk ba subscribe khai ko hingka please subscribe khai di amo ma hai no rong tei interesting video ketal sinami phunuk nai tei question no tong hingka ano tolao comment khai sadi hambai dolok na ano video pai thak jornai jamon bagi